Hey guys, so welcome back. I have another What I Eat in a Week episode for you. And I usually start my episodes out by showing you my grocery list and the meals that I plan on making. However, I actually didn't have one this week. So you're just basically seeing what we're going to end up with at the end of the episode. But for this week, I was going through my fridge and I found some items and things that I needed to use up. We're going on vacation soon and I needed to get rid of them. So I decided to kind of like mix and match and then come up with meals doing that. So I'm going to show you what I made. So for breakfast, I had some diced potatoes that were already in one of those sacks that you can get in the refrigerator section of the market. I had one of those packs left, so I sauteed them up. I used some seasoning salt. I added some extra ham and some peppers to that, and I topped it off with a over easy egg and some fresh avocado and a little cup of salsa that I added after I heat it up. Now the avocado I would only add in the morning after I do the heating up part. So this is really just to show you guys what the full meal looks like, but I would most likely just be cutting the avocado either in half with the pit still in there and then bringing it to work and slicing it there, or I may just pre-slice them right before I leave and maybe do some lemon juice on that so that it doesn't get brown. But this is a breakfast hash. For lunch, I made here some shrimp lo mein. I have some vegetables, carrots, broccoli, shiitake mushrooms, and some scallions with that. And then I have some shrimp and then some lo mein noodles. This was a super easy meal to do. This I have to give thanks to Trader Joe's. I actually bought a bag of spinach and cheese tortellini. And so I had that there, just cooked it up in a few minutes, and in that I added some peas, and then I also added some pesto sauce that I also got from Trader Joe's. So it's pretty much pre-made, 3 ingredients, done within like 5-6 minutes, and it's all set to go. So for dinner, I had some zucchinis left from last week, so I ended up spiraling them to make zucchini noodles. And then I had some sausage left and some peppers too. So I sauteed them up, put the zucchini noodles on the bottom with some tomato sauce, and then I topped it off with the sausage and peppers. And then for snack, you guys know what I do for snacks each week. I got my carrots here, I got my celery here, and then to store it in, I have this little cup that I put them in. And then I have a container of sauce. I don't know if you guys ever tried this one, but this is from Bolthouse Farms. It's the avocado green goddess yogurt dressing, and it's really, really good. You find this in the refrigerated section, but I really like the flavor that it carries. So I have a little cup of that to go with my carrots and celery this week. All right, so for fruit, I got a cantaloupe this week and I cut it up. This is about half of one. It was a pretty small cantaloupe, but this is about half of the cantaloupe. And then I have the other half wrapped up in the refrigerator so that when I'm ready to eat more of it, I'll just cut it up at that point. I didn't want it to go bad by cutting it up too early. And then I have here some fresh strawberries. So that would be my fruit for the week. And then just for filler snacks, I have these reusable bags. They're so cute. They have this dinosaur pattern on them. I think Brandon will love it. But I have in here some plantain chips, so sweet plantain chips. And then I don't know if you guys have tried these, but these are some oat bars from Trader Joe's. They're called Raises the Bar. I've had this one already. This is the chewy granola bar with maple flavor, and it has like quinoa and has pumpkin seeds in it, and it has a touch of honey in it. So that one's really, really good. And this one I just bought. I haven't tried this one yet, but this one actually has some dark chocolate chunks in there, so I can't imagine that being any worse. And that is pretty much it for the week. I hope you guys like the episode, and if you do, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you're tired of seeing. I will have some of the recipes in the description box. And I also will have some affiliated videos to it because I did film some videos of some of the meals that I've been making for the weekly meal preps. So I will put those links in the description box as well. So as always, thanks for watching. Have a monsterific day. Bye.